Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe in Brooklyn Gray. And I've just hit unlock there. Got a little welcome light shimmer, but it's kind of too bright to see it. And let me just do a lap all the way around the vehicle. So I'm back from the holidays, kind of. There's still a few more holidays to celebrate. And then we'll be back in full swing with the videos in the new year for sure. So once I complete this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got the beautiful Brooklyn Gray Metallic, and you can see the heat waves because it is freezing cold outside and warm inside. I got the door open for the shot. We can see Brooklyn Gray Metallic showing these beautiful lines on the hood. And we've got rondelle up front and center, one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the horizontal slats with the M badging, and no front plate bracket, looks great. Snake eye headlights also look really good. Functional air ducts at the bottom and active air here as well, which is pretty sweet. So that opens and closes as needed. We got the shadow line, BMW LED headlights with the blue accents, and full lighting system on there, low beam system. That looks awesome. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we actually have a winter tire set on here. So this normally comes with, I think, some 20s, but we've got some 18-inch winter tire package on here. We've also got an M badging on the fender, black accent here as well that travels underneath the doors, and we got the matte black rocker panel. Black M wing mirrors, car sold, so we've got a big bow on top. There's a sunroof there. New style antenna. Side profile looks sweet. New style door handles, flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on all four. Black spoiler on the trunk lid. There's your rear with the red caliper there as well, sweet. And of course we got the laser tail lights. This has the M Sport Pro package on it. Horizontal reflectors, freeform exhaust. And since I'm back here, you could have the key. I can just kick my foot underneath. So being the 2026, this still does come with two keys. We have the cargo covers, two of them, carpeted mats, front plate bracket, tire inflator plus kit, and underneath here, wheel lock key, tow hook. All that is here. Whoops. So all that's there. And some storage space in here. Good space, button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but we can kick our foot underneath. To have this close the hands-free way. Oops, I didn't close this door properly. Still. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side, connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a spot to put it. If I open up that rear door here, you'll see that we've got some ambient lighting, red contrast stitching on the Vernasca Leather. So these are the red and black Vernasca Leather seats. And the headrest can flip up or down. Seats can fold down in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. Pass-through through the center as well. On the back of the center console, we've got some vents, rear climate controls, heated seats for the two outer positions, two USB Type-C charging ports. There's your winter mats. There's more vents underneath. And up top, you can see we've got some reading lights, some handles, coat hanger. So let's shut this door. We'll open up the front door next. Open up that front door. So there's a bit of a welcome light carpet, kind of hard to see with this lighting. Harman Kardon, galvanic controls, window switch. Door panel looks sweet with the contrast stitching in the red. Pocket down there, aluminum M door sill. Full power seat with lumbar. Seats look awesome. I love the piping with the tricolor stitching. We have carbon fiber interior trim, soft touch materials on the dash with some stitching, new style vents, glove box down here, iDrive operating system 8.5 on the curved display, cascading ambient light, wireless charger, cup holders, USB-A, glass controls, so gear selector, iDrive controller, and push start. Some padding here, USB Type-C, nice contrast here as well. That looks sweet. Let's go to the other side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that up. So again, Harman Kardon, window switches, side mirror controls, memory buttons, tailgate release, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster on the driver's side, sunroof at the top, new flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6, M tricolor stitching, red marker at 12, head-up display. This has all the self-parking options. And down here, we've got your M pedals, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything, just lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo, 384 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. And we have positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal washer fluid. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so we just gotta center down. Beauty. All right, so let's just do one more lap all the way around the car. Sorry this video is a little rushed. I don't have a lot of time and I didn't want to miss this car. And I just wanted to get what I could for you guys. Car looks amazing. And love the laser tail lights. Since we're at the back, 1, 2, 3, let's hear that exhaust sound. I like that. You can 1, 2, 3 to shut it off, but I'm gonna just leave it on. So what do you think about the M440i and Brooklyn Gray xDrive Gran Coupe? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe in Brooklyn Gray with the black and red leather Vernasca interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.